see page number 33, exercise 2.10. So what we have to do here, first question is what? Write the smallest 4-digit number. So these digits are given here. So we have to prepare one smallest 4-digit number. Okay. So what we will do? We will write very small digit here first. Which is the small digit here? 1, 6, 5, 4. Very small digit is 1. Then bigger than this one is what? Which digit is there? 4. Then bigger than 4 is 5. Bigger than 5 is 6. So what is our answer? 1456 is our answer. Okay. This question you can write in your textbook. So in very small writing you have to write down here. You draw one line with the scale and on that line you can write down this answer. Okay. So next is what? B. 7542. So among these 4 digits, which is the smallest digit here? 2. So write down here 2. Then bigger number is what? Bigger than 2 is 4. Then bigger than 4 is 5. Then bigger than 5 is 7. So what is our answer? 2457. So among these 4 digits, which digit is very small here? 3. So bigger than 3 is what here? 5. Bigger than 5 is what here? 6. Bigger than 6 is what? 9. So what is our answer? 3569. Now see D question. 8092. So remember one thing, whenever 0 is given, so don't write this 0 at first place. So that there is no meaning if we write 0, then 2, then 9, no. So we have to first write down the smaller digit, that is 2. Then we have to write down this 0. Then which is the bigger digit here? 8. Bigger than 8 is 9. So what is our answer? 2089. Then what is next? E. 7103. Again 0 is there. So we cannot write 0317. That is the wrong answer. So first we have to write the very small digit first, that is 1. Then write down this 0. Then bigger than 0, which digit is there? 3. Then bigger than 3, which digit is there? 7. So what is our answer? 1037. Then F. In this F example, what is given? 9452. So 0 is not there, no problem. Then start with very small digit, that is 2. Then bigger than 2 is 4. Bigger than 4 is 5. Bigger than 5 is 9. So what is our answer? 2459. So this question you can write down in your textbook. Now see second question. Write the greatest 4-digit number. So we have to prepare one 4-digit greatest number. So what we will do here? We will write here first the greatest digit 7. Then what we will do? We will write here smaller than this number, that is 6. Then smaller than 6, what is given? 5. Smaller than 5 is 3. So what is our answer? 7653 is our answer. Now second is what? 2809. So see, 0 is given here. So what we will do? We will write this 0 at the ones place. Okay. So first we have to write down the bigger digit, that is 9. Okay. Then smaller than 9 is 8. Smaller than 8 is 2. Smaller than 2 is 0. So we have to write down this 0 at the ones place. Okay. So what is our answer? 9000 820. Now see question. 4, 5, 7, 6. So which is the bigger digit here? 7. Smaller than 7 is 6. Smaller than 6 is 5. Smaller than 5 is 4. So what is our answer? 7654. Then D is what? 8095. So which is the, now see 0 is again here, and which is the greatest, now biggest digit here? 9. Smaller than 9, which is that? 8. Smaller than 8 is 5, and we have to write down this 0 at the ones place. So what is our answer? 9850. Now see E question. 1430. Again 0 is there. So what is the bigger digit here? 4. Smaller than 4 is 3. Smaller than 3 is 1. Smaller than 1 is 0. So what is our answer? 4310. Now see F question. 8975. So which is the bigger digit here? 9. Smaller than 9 is 8. Smaller than 8 is 7. Smaller than 7 is 5. So what is our answer? 9875. This question also you will complete in your textbook. Now see third example. Change the position of the digits if necessary to get the smallest 4-digit number. So these digits are given. So if necessary, if we want, we can change their position. So we have to prepare smallest 4-digit number. So 6457 number is given. So we have to first write down smaller digit, that is 4. Then bigger than 4 is 5. Bigger than 5 is 6. Bigger than 6 is 7. So what is our answer? 4567. Now see B question. 3648. Okay. So very small digit is what? 3. That we have to write first. Then bigger than 3 is 4. Then bigger than 4 is 6. Bigger than 6 is 8. So what is our answer? 3468. Now see C question. 1257. So here no need to change any places. So our answer is what? Same number we have to write down. 1257. Now see D question. 7294. So here we can change their position. Write down smaller number 2. Then write down bigger number than 2 is 4. Bigger than 4 is 7. Bigger than 7 is 9. So what is our answer? 2479. Then E question is what? 3681. So we can change their position. Very smaller number is what? 1. Then bigger than 1 is 3. Bigger than 3 is 6. Bigger than 6 is 8. So what is our answer? 1368. Now F is what? 4320. Now very small. We cannot write 0 here because we have to prepare the smallest number. So no need to write 0 first. So smaller than, so bigger than this 0 is which number, which digit? That digit we have to write first, and then we have to write this 0. Then bigger than 0 is 3, and bigger than 3 is 4. So what is our answer? 2034. So remember, where to write 0 is smallest number, that we have to write that 0 near to the smallest number. And whenever we have to prepare biggest number, we will write that 0 at the ones place. So you have to write down these answers in your textbook. Now see fourth question. This fourth, fifth and sixth question you have to complete in your notebook. So write down in your notebook, write down exercise 2.10 question number 4. Write down this question and write down A. What is A? Using only one digit. So using only one digit, we have to prepare greatest 4-digit number. So greatest one digit is what? 9. If we write 9 4 times, what we can see? We can see here 9999. That is the 4-digit greatest number. Now see B question. B question is what? Using different digits, we have to prepare 4-digit number. So suppose we will take 9, 8. Using different digits, we have to make greatest 4-digit number. 9, 8, 7, 6. We can write this number 9876. We can use different digits. Here what they have given us? Only one digit they have given us. Then C is what? Using different digits. With 4 tens in ones in tens place. In tens place. Okay. So what they have given? Using different digits with 4 tens in tens place. Means in this tens place, what they want? 4 number. So you write down there in this tens place 4 number. Using different digits, we have to prepare 4-digit greatest number. So 9847. So this number also we can write using different digits with 4 tens in tens place. So see 4 tens in tens place means in tens place they want 4 numbers. So our answer is ready. Now the question is what? Using different digits with 6 in thousands place. In thousands place, what we have to write? We have to write 6. So first you write down 6. Now using this 6 in thousands place, we have to write down 4-digit greatest number. So we can write here 6987. So in this way you have to complete this A, B, C, D, this 4th question in your notebook. So complete it in your notebook. Now we have to see this page number 34, odd and even numbers. So odd and even numbers. Even numbers means what? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So if we add plus 2 in 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So that is called as even numbers. And what is meaning of odd number? Odd numbers are 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. So when we add plus 2 in this one number, so we can see here butterfly that is sitting on that red flowers, that first butterfly sitting on that one number red flower, that will fly to this flower of 3 number, 1, 3. Then from 3 it will fly on 5th number. Then from 5 it will fly on 7th number. And from 7 it will fly on 9th number. So these are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are called as odd numbers. Then butterfly sitting on this 2 number, that will fly on 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Then butterfly sitting on that 4 number, that will fly on 6. After that it will fly from 6 to 8. After that it will fly from 8 to 10, like this. So you have to note down that these odd numbers are ends with the digit 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So number ending with this digit 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that is called as odd number. And numbers ending with this number 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, that is called as odd numbers. Okay. So when we add even number plus even number, we will get this even number. For example, 6, that is even number, 8, that is even number. So 6 plus 8 equal to 14. 14 is an even number. Okay. So even if we add 7 plus 6, what is the answer? 30. 7 means what? Odd number. 6 is even number. And answer is what? 13. 13 is a odd number. Okay. So odd plus even equal to odd. So that depends on that last digit of that number. So this ends with digit, last digit is 3. So this number is odd number. Okay. Suppose we add 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. So both the numbers are odd, but their answer is even. So that depends on the last digit of that number. So depending upon this, we have to solve this first question, that is on page number 35. First question is what? Encircle the even numbers. Encircle means what? Circle. Encircle the even numbers. Even numbers पर हमें सर्कल करना है, तो हमें फाइंड आउट करने पड़ेंगे कौन से नंबर यहाँ पर इवन नंबर्स है. सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी 384. This is an even number, so we have to circle on this number. Then 280, the number ends with 0, that means it is a even number. Then 483. 483, the number ending with this digit 3. 3 is a odd number. So don't circle this 483 because it is a odd number. Then which number is there? 785. So here also this number ending with 5. 5 is a odd number. So this is 785 is a odd number. So no need to circle it. Then 6003. 6003 ending with the digit 3. 3 is a odd number. So 6003 is a odd number. So don't circle this number. Then 8126. Now see this number ending with last digit, that is even number, 8126. So this is a even number. So we have to circle this number. Then 8843. So this is again ending with the digit 3. 3 is an odd number. So 8843 is a odd number. Then which number is there? 9900. So this number is ending with 0. 9900, that is a even number. So circle this number. Then which number is there? 8084. So 4 is a even number. So we have to circle this. This is a even number. Then 7506. So ending with this 6. 6 is a even number. So we have to circle this number. Then 7884. 84. See here, 4 is a even number. So we have to circle this number. Then 7989. So this number ending with the digit 9, that is a odd number. So 7989 is a odd number. So no need to circle this number. because this is a odd number. So in this way, carefully you circle these even numbers. Now see second question, encircle the odd numbers. So we have to circle these odd numbers. So 450 ending with 0, this is an even number. Then 375 ending with 5, 5 is an odd number, so we have to circle this number. Then 688, 8 is a even number, so no need to circle this number. Then 983 ending with 3, 3 is an odd number, so we have to circle this number. Then 8005 ending with digit 5, 5 is an odd number, so 8005 is an odd number. Then 7126, 6 is a even number, so no need to circle, that is a even number. Then 9945 ending with this digit 5, so this is an odd number, so we have to circle this number. Then 4709 ending with this 9, that is odd number, so we have to circle this odd number. Then 4882 ending with 2, 2 is an even number, then means this number is an even number, so no need to circle that. Then 9507 ending with 7, 7 is an odd number, so we have to circle this number. 9507 is a odd number. Then 7305 ending with this 5, 5 is an odd number, so 7305 is an odd number, so circle it. Then last one is 7428, 28 number is a even number, so no need to circle this number. So in this way, circle this odd number. Now see question number 3, fill in the blanks. What is given in this fill in the blanks? A, 7 plus 5 equal to dash, it is an dash number. So we have to write down here, these numbers are odd or even. So we have to do first here addition. 7 plus 5, how much? 12. So 12, it is an even number. Numbers that are present in table of 2, that are known as even numbers. So we have to write down there even. Now see B question. 6 plus 8, how much? 14. So it is an 14 is also present in the table of 2. This is also called as even number. Then C question is what? 9 plus 8, how much? 17. So 17, it is an odd number. Okay, so this is an odd number, so you write down here odd. Then D question is what? 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7 is 10, so 10 is an even number. Okay, if you are having any doubt, you can see the last digit, this ones at this ones place, which digit is there, that on that, from that digit we can know that this is an odd number or even number. So here 7 digit is there, so 7 is an odd number, so 17 is an odd number, so you have to remember that. Then E question is what? 21 plus 5, 21 plus 5 equal to 26. 26, it is an even number, because see, 6 number is at the ones place, that is even number, so 26 is our even number. Then F question is what? 19 plus 10, 19 plus 10 equal to 29. So see, at the ones place 9 number is there, 9 is an odd number, so we have to write down here odd number. Then G question is what? 28 plus 12, 28 plus 12 equal to how much? 40. So 40, it is an even number. At the last C, we can see here 0 is at the ones place. complete this third question in your textbook. Now see fourth question, page number 36. Are the following numbers odd or even? That we have to find out. So we will see one by one. A question, 79, 129, 3183. So we have to just check out this last digit. What is this? 399. 399 are odd numbers. So we have to write down here. These numbers are odd numbers. Then CP question, 312, 1480, 10. Again here same procedure we have to do. We have to see the last digit. These are 280. 280 are even numbers. So we can write down here even number. Now see question. 138, 216, 4108. So again same, last digit is 868. 868 is even number. So we have to write here even number. Now see D question. 4109, 3413, 29. Now see 939. These are the odd numbers. So we have to write down here odd numbers. Now see E question. 2149, 2247, 2343. So we have to find out. This is odd, 9 is odd, 7 is odd, 3 is odd. So we have to write down here odd. These are odd numbers. Now see a question. 3406, 2718, 1030. So again 6, 8, 0. These numbers are even numbers. So we have to write down here even numbers. So in this way, this fourth question you have to complete in your textbook. And one more important thing, that everybody should learn tables from 2 to 15. And in last year's notebook, you have to write down every day tables from 2 to 15. That will be very much important for your next lessons. For example, multiplication, division. That one student who knows very well all the tables properly, they can solve easily all this multiplication and division sums. Okay, so every day you have to write down tables in your rough notebook. Okay, that is very important thing, and you complete all this question in your textbook. Thank you.